afternoon. We got clear skies and the sun is out, and we're heading into spring here in Pembrokeshire, and it's so nice to be out on a day like this. And in this video I've got my drone with me. It's in my back pocket and the controller's in my bar bag. So I'm just gonna head out, fly the drone, capture some nice shots. So I'm doing 50 miles today. There's a bit of a northerly, gentle breeze, but I should hope I have a tailwind on my way back. Enjoy the rest of the video and stay tuned till the end. Cheers. So I'm just gonna wait for this lovely herd to cross. Come on. That's a dead end. They won't let me through. Hello boy. There you go. That was nice, and it's quite common here in Wales to see herds of sheep. So I've done about 15k, done a couple of hills, flattens out a bit now, but there are a few more climbs in this ride. I'm just gonna take it steady, nothing too crazy today, build up my legs and just enjoy this nice beautiful day. And as you can see, the daffodils are out. So I'm now approaching Mindclogog. I should have stuck to the main road. The road condition is quite poor with all the rains we've had so far. So I'm looking for an open space to find the drone. I know exactly where it is. We should be there soon. setting up the drone does take some time, but I'll get used to it. I hope you enjoyed that aerial shots of the ride so far. So time to head back home now, and the wind is picking up pace. So I got 10 miles to go home, and facing the headwind. Not nice. Let's crack on. So I've done 53 kilometers. The last 15 kilometers was dreadful. The wind was awful, making it hard. Usually it's a nice long descent, a few climbs in between, but it was really hard today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more cycling content, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Cheers.